Hi, and welcome to another edition of the Empties here at QVC. My name is Danny Seo, and this is the series where not only do I bring the best of clean beauty products to all of you here at QVC, but they're not only fantastic, they're gorgeous, all the way to the very last drop. On today's episode, what I want to show you is my Dopp Kit. And this Dopp Kit is not my travel Dopp Kit. It's not my Dopp Kit that I use to go away on extended stays. It's actually what I use when I have to commute to New York City to film for television. And I have 4 products in here. The 4 products that I use to actually clean my skin after a day of filming. So when I spend 8, 9, 10 hours filming, what happens is that my face gets layered and layered and layered with more powder and more makeup, because the last thing they want on TV is like shine on the face. And what I want to do before I leave the studio is to get it clean and prepped and looking great, so I can go out to dinner or I can just go home and feel like I have a really nice clean mug on the face. Okay, so what I've done earlier is that I used my favorite cleanser. This is from a brand called InstaNatural. I'm so excited to partner with InstaNatural to bring it to QVC because it's a great value and they're loaded with incredible natural ingredients that really deliver great benefits for the skin. And this is the Glycolic cleanser. And what I love about Glycolic is that it's a way of exfoliating dense skin cells off the face, but doing it in a really effective way. And the geniuses at InstaNatural also added cucumber extract, organic chamomile, and green tea extract. And those are not going to exfoliate the skin, but they're designed to work with the glycolic, so the glycolic goes to work, but this also helps calm the skin as the glycolic goes to work. So what I'm trying to say is I don't end up with red skin on the face because the acid went to work. So it's effective, but it's also cooling. After I wash my face, if it's AM or PM, I'll show you my 2 choices. Is that if I'm coming home at night, I love this. It's from SERUMKIND. We've talked about it before. I'm so excited to partner with SERUMKIND because this Korean brand is making this American debut here at QVC. This is the Chaga charging drops that I really love for night, but it's pretty bright outside. This is one that I'm partnering with from France called Patyka. And Patyka actually isn't new. This oil, or this formula for the Huile Absolue, beautiful oil here, is actually almost a century old, 100 years old. And what I love about this is that this 100-year-old serum formula really stands up to the test of time. And so I'll just take just a little drop like this, rub it in my hands, and on clean skin, what I love about this is that it helps really help my skin just feel moisturized, but not oily, not tight, but I feel like I've just fed it. Like a really beautiful oil that just sinks right in and then leaves a really nice matte finish. But because I don't like a shiny face, I don't like to feel like I'm greasy, I've been searching for the best mattifying fluid moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer, but also it helps to absorb excess oil throughout the day, so that I just feel like I'm clean, like I have really good clean skin. And this is also from Patyka, right here. And this is called the Matte Perfecting Fluid. And there's 2 hero ingredients in the Patyka Matte Perfecting Fluid. One, it's silica, and silica is a natural ingredient that helps absorb excess oil on the skin. And the other ingredient in here that I'm so excited about, it's prebiotics. And the prebiotics in the Patyka Matte Perfecting Fluid, it really helps to reveal a healthier looking skin too. So that's it. I can now leave the studio and go on throughout New York and have lunch and see friends and just feel like I've done something really good for my skin. And so into my Dopp Kit, we put my Matte Perfecting Fluid from Patyka, our Patyka Absolute Huile. In case it becomes nighttime, we've got our SERUMKIND Chaga charging drops. And finally, the best cleanser in the whole wide world from InstaNatural, the Glycolic cleanser. And they're all going into the bag, and they're all ready to be good for the very last drop.